Machine Identity Console allows you to manage machine identities, also known as non-human identities, which identify, authenticate, and authorize applications, workloads, APIs, bots, and automated systems. Machine identities are accounts that are used for integrating an application with ServiceNow. They have unique identity and verification methods that differ from human identities. Because they are unique, they need to be handled differently to ensure that they meet security best practices. Machine Identity Console helps you understand what identities are accessing what data and how they are configured, so that you make smarter security decisions when it comes to how these accounts are set up. The homepage shows an overview of how many machine identities are on your system, unique API calls by these identities, and the authentication method they are using. Security score and findings is based on the usage and method of machine identities to help identify higher risk identities so you can take the necessary preventative actions for them. Total Machine Identity Integration Accounts is a list of all the machine identities that are being used for integration. This list includes all accounts using an API, as well as any account with the Web Service Access Only flag set to true. You can see whether machine identities are in use and active, whether the Web Service Access Only flag is true or false, the last time the API was accessed, the number of days since it was last used, and the date the account was created. Unique API calls displays which machine identities called which APIs in the last 7 days. To understand the security of the machine identities, we can look at the Machine Identity Security Score. This score is based on 4 different findings: accounts with no login for 100 days, accounts using basic authentication, integration accounts with web service access disabled, and accounts performing both UI and API logins. Accounts using basic authentication only need a username and password when accessing any API. Selecting any of these machine identities provides recommendations on upgrading their access to a more secure authentication method. The new inbound integration experience in the Machine Identity Console helps you create and manage your inbound integrations. There are 4 options for OAuth configuration and authorization, as well as an option for a third-party ID token issued by an OIDC supporting identity provider. Each option provides a unique setup with its own requirements that can be assessed to help you make the best choice. Use Machine Identity Console to monitor data access and identity configurations, and empower you to make informed security decisions. To learn more, see our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.